In this video, I am out in a field near Buckeye Lake, Ohio, with a farm that is injecting or applying anhydrous ammonia. Anhydrous ammonia is a form of nitrogen that will be used to help grow this year's corn crop that will be planted into this field. Anhydrous ammonia can be applied pre-plant, as they are doing here, before they plant this year's crop. Other guys have come in and injected anhydrous ammonia between the rows of corn once the corn is up. In the video, the farm is out here running their Case International 450 quad track tractor, pulling this Blue Jet toolbar. This toolbar has 25 knives on it, spaced 30 inches apart, and he is covering about 62 feet per pass. The set of double tanks he's pulling will cover about 35 acres. And just a little Farm Talk 101, I said that he is applying or injecting anhydrous ammonia. Some guys will refer to it as putting on smoke or gassing. And in other areas, they may say something different. Anyways, I got some nice evening shots here out in the field. Got a bunch of drone shots, some on the ground shots. Enjoy. Lifts the toolbar out of the ground, you can see those vapors coming out of the knives as he shuts it off there. Now you can kind of understand the phrase putting on smoke. That's going to wrap up this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.